Government of India gi Director General Health Services Professor ATUL GOEL na ngarang Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS Imphal Yengshinkhibaga Loinana Institute Asigi Resident Singa Wari Shannakhre Professor ATUL GOEL gi Yengshinkhongchat adugi saruk ama oina Institute asida Center of Excellence for Rare Diseases su haunabi matung ina hangdokhe tungda RIMS ki Susruta Holda Department Head Singa Interaction Program amasu pangthoktuna ana layengi lamda thengnariba khudong chadabasing amade miyamda piriba healthcare service sing phagat hannabagi matangdasu kupna khanakhe Wari sanaba aduna RIMS asi Center of Medical Innovation and Excellence ki thakta pukhatnaba hotnabada chauna mating pangbaga loinana senior faculty members singi oiba wakhalon sing adu mayek sengna phongdoknabagi tanja amasu phanghankhe Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India gi maikaidagisu RIMS ki infrastructure amasung healthcare service sing ase phagat handuna Manipur khakta natana awang nongpoki state singi miyamda aphaba makhalgi service piba ngamnaba pangba yaba mateng khudingmak pangani hainasu thajaba piramkhi haire Professor ATUL GOEL gi khongchat adugi damak RIMS ki Director Professor G Sunil Kumar na thagatpa phongdokladuna hai Professor ATUL GOEL gi mityeng amade support asina RIMS asi henna chawkhatnaba hotnabada achoba mating oiragani